Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 14. Rebelling iPhone 14 A15 CPU. Let's get started. We already disassembled the layered motherboard. You are viewing microscopic view. Excessive heat will damage others' micro-components. We use tape to protect another component, so be careful during this operation. Now we are removing A15 CPU from iPhone 14 motherboard through hot gun. Now cleaning the motherboard connectors. Cleaning the A15 CPU. Polishing the CPU connectors. Installing the CPU. And that's it. We've successfully rebelled the A15 CPU. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.